Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Fish Den 365, I'm Den Haring. Thanks for being here with me. I'm out at Lake Nakamixin. It's a Friday evening and it's 4 o'clock, so I have about 2 hours, maybe 2.5 max, to see if I can come up with some fish. Come on along, we'll show you what we're doing and why we're doing it. So what we have here is a milfoil bed on this point. We're going to fish the outside edge first and then work our way in. Throw a square bill. We've got a topwater, some jigs, a little bit of everything to try out here. See how we do. There's two types of cover I'd like to fish today. One is milfoil and the other is lily pads. I don't have a lot of time to do either or, but I'm going to try doing both just to see what seems to be the best for today's scenario. So we'll see how we do. Got one. He ate the square bill. Barely hooked, little guy, but they're still eating the square bill. Well, it didn't take long to get hooked up at least. Good one. Just had one on the plow. Came off. He was way back there. Probably should have hesitated my hook set just a little bit more. There's lots of activity in here. There's lots of bluegills. I can hear them sucking and feeding, and I'm seeing some wakes and some movement, but the bass just aren't really that active. And I think it's because the water's been so cold. I mean, the nights have been so cold and the water's going down in temp. What we need is going to happen this weekend and early next week. Several days of 70-degree weather and sunshine. That'll stabilize this and warm it up, and boy, I don't know if I'm going to get a chance to come out then, but that's when I think that topwater bite will turn on here. It's going to happen. It just needs the right conditions. We can even get one tonight yet. If they turn on the feed right before dark, we'll see. Saw a wake coming toward the bait, and I stopped it, and he was all over it. He ate the plow. Great topwater bait this time of year. Not a big one, but there'll be others. Looks like a cormorant tried to get him on the belly there. Well, we came back out on Monday, my brother Martin and I, and those bluegills were feeding like crazy. But the bass, not so much, until the very end of the day where we started to catch a few. This tells me that the better bite still may be on the way.
Just scared two bluegills when this hit the water.
Yeah, there's a bunch of them on the surface over here. And gills.
They're getting their last bite feeding in. Oh.
Won't do this tonight, I think. probably ate like crazy, like at 12 noon. Here's one guy.
He ate like crazy.
He did just what that other one did. He came up to it and got it right in front of the boat.
They're starting to hit.
On the plow.
Was it moving or was it still?
I was swimming it, and he came behind it. I saw him swimming toward it, and this time I didn't stop it. He just came and ate it right. I was gonna stop it, but he ate it before I even stopped it. It's unusual to get him close to the boat like that. Happened twice now. There's one. That wasn't close to the boat.
Every time you say something, you get
The
one.
opposite happens.
Not really. Oh, there's one. Well, there's some in here.
You know they're in here. Oh, just got the other way. Another plow fish. He just acted like a bigger one.
10-pounder?
He is bigger, but boy, he ate it like he was big.
Wow.
He isn't any bigger, is he?
No, they're all about the same, but they're all the very similar color too.
Boy, did he blow up on it. Holy mac.
He like sucked it under.
Kaboom.
That was a toilet flush.
Oh, he's got something in there.
Huh?
Just weeds. I thought he ate a bluegill or something.
Secret lure.
He's good. Boy, I thought that was a bigger one.